Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Open Kitchen Recipes, the only channel where we excite your taste buds. If you are new to this channel, as I said earlier, this is the only channel where we excite your taste bud. And before you continue watching, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe. Comment. I am very active in the comment section, so say something in the comment section. Say hi or anything, okay, in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond. And if you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for being faithful. All right, so let's get into it. So today our video is in twofold. I'm going to take you through some of the gadgets. It's actually about 2 gadgets that I used and I want to share with you. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. Okay, all right, so the first is this blender, and I used it for crushing the garlic, as you can all see, and my vegetables. All you have to do is cut your vegetables into a size that can fit into the blender, and it is manual, so however you want it, just it has a string on it, just pull the string to any consistency of your choice. And then yeah, as you can see, I used it for the garlic and also our mixed vegetables. Okay, all right, so the next one is this cutter. It has 2 blades. One is bigger and the other one is smaller. It also has a brush that you can use to wash your cutters. All right, so also cut your vegetables. I'm going to use this to cut my onions and my vegetables, and it is very easy. All you have to do is to just put a little pressure and you will have your vegetables nicely diced. All right, as you can all see. And remember, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below just in case you want to purchase any, or if you also need help in purchasing, and I can do that for you. Okay, alrighty. All right, so with a carrot, you would have to cut them into a sizable way so that you don't have to exert a lot of pressure for it to be diced. So just as I am doing in this video, it is advisable to do it that way, so you don't have to put in a lot of put in exert a lot of pressure, you know. All right, so just like that, our carrots is well and uniformly diced. Okay, so that is it for the gadgets. Let's get right into it. Prepping our food for today, and I forgot to tell you what we are making today. Today we are making shrimp noodles. It's very easy to make, and don't be like me, I forgot to bring my shrimp out to thaw, so my shrimp is as hard as anything you can think of. All right, so I am seasoning my shrimp. I'll leave every ingredient in the description box below so you can check it out anytime, and it will also be easy for you to make. Okay, so I have added all the seasonings, dry seasonings, and I'm going to mix it and make sure every part of the shrimp is coated with the seasonings and set it aside for it to marinate. And while that is marinating, I am going to go ahead and cut my green onions. I'm just going to cut the green part. I'll be using that for garnishing. And just after cutting my green onions, I am going to go ahead and put some water on fire and allow it to come to a boil. We'll be using this water to boil our spaghetti. All right, so while we wait for the water to boil, I'm going to go ahead and stir fry my shrimps. So I'm going to use butter. I'm going to cut some butter and then use it to stir fry. I am going to wait for all the butter to melt, and then I will go ahead and add in my shrimps. And guys, sincerely, don't be like me. Make sure you bring your protein, whatever protein you want to use. If you want to use chicken, whatever, just make sure you bring it out. If it's frozen, make sure you bring it out for it to thaw. Okay, so yeah. So my water came to a boil and I added my spaghetti. I'm just gonna allow that to cook well. And you know, as you see, there is so much liquid, and that is because I didn't thaw my shrimps. So yeah, and into the same juicy butter mixture, however you want to call it, I'm going to add in some sesame oil, and right away add in my crushed garlic. And what's shrimp without garlic, you know? I'm going to add in as much as I want, and then allow it to fry a little bit for about 2-3 minutes, or till you can perceive the aroma. And then go in with my diced onion. I'm going to also stir fry that till I can perceive the aroma, or till it is translucent. And in about 5 minutes, our onion is also translucent, and I'm going to go in with my diced carrot. And that is because the among the vegetables we are using today, the carrot is the hottest. So I'm going to go in first with the carrot and allow it to also fry for about 2 minutes, and then I go in with our bell peppers. Alright, so I'm not going to add any seasonings at this point, because I'll be adding some soy sauce and some oyster sauce, and all these sauces have a bit of salt and some seasonings to it. So I would wait. If I want to add anything, I would wait till I add all of these. Alright, so after adding my bell peppers, I'm going to allow that to also fry. And as you see, this is where I go in with my spaghetti, my cooked spaghetti, my oyster sauce, some fish sauce, and lastly our dark soy sauce. All right, so I added all these to give it some nice flavor. Without this, you're not making shrimp noodles. Okay, so I added a little bit of each, and also went in with my shrimps, and all I had to do was mix and stir till everything is well incorporated. At this point, you want all the flavors to come together and marry themselves. If there is anything like that. So yeah, I am also going to allow this. Wait, so at this point I realized I had to add a little bit more of the oyster sauce, so I added that in, and then took my time and stirred to make sure all the flavors come together. Okay, all right, and I allowed it to fry for about 5 minutes on a low heat, just to allow the flavors come together. Okay, and yeah, the next thing I did was to sprinkle in my green onions, and our shrimp noodles is ready, ready to be served and devoured. So guys, you see how simple it is to make shrimp noodles. And guys, if you have watched till this far and you haven't subscribed, please please subscribe. You should see my face right now. Please subscribe, share any of our recipes to your friends and family out there. Let them also learn one or two things from this channel, okay? And guys, always remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Bye. I'll see you all in my next video.